Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on the Nokia G42. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, then locate the system, and here we have gestures and motions. Now first option is quickly open a camera, and you can do that by pressing the power button twice, and it works from any screen. That means when your screen is off and when it's on. Let's try it out. And it works fine. Next one is system navigation, and here you can pick how to navigate your phone. You can either use gestures or 3 buttons at the bottom. Next is turn over to reject call. Now if you have any calls incoming while this is enabled, then you can flip your phone over and it should reject that call. Next is mute on pickup. When you enable it and also you have the call incoming and you lift your phone to your ear, it should mute that call. It won't reject it, it will just mute the ringtone. Next is one-handed mode, and if you decide to enable it, then your notification bar will move to the reach, so that means you can access the notification bar Okay, so we want the shortcut right here. If we click on it, you can see that the notification bar goes lower so that you can access it with one hand. Next is double tap to check phone. If you enable it and move to lock screen and double tap, it will wake up your screen. Then there's lift to check phone. If you enable it, you can lift your phone and it will wake up. If you have a lock screen, then it won't unlock, but yep, it works fine. And the last feature right here is press and hold power button to call out your Google Assistant, and here you should be able, or actually you can't. So you can either choose Power Mini or a Digital Assistant, and Power Mini looks like this. And Digital Assistant will call out your Google Assistant when holding that same button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.